Immunoassays. Immunoassays have been classified as heterogeneous and homogeneous, competitive and non-competitive. Heterogeneous and homogeneous assays. The immunoassays basically identify a label which is detected to measure the amount of antigen or antibody which is present in a sample. These labels can either be radioactive isotopes or enzymes that cause changes in color or produce light. Depending on the type of assays, labels either exist on the antigen or the antigen. Heterogeneous assays are those which require the separation of bound and free labels. In heterogeneous assays, the portion of antigen bound with the antibody is disconnected from the remaining unbound part after the reaction takes place. This separation of assays is done by solid phase adsorption, liquid phase adsorption, or precipitation. However, homogeneous assays are those where the label is changed by the binding process, thereby allowing the binding to be observed without separation process. These systems are marked by their speed and ease and can be easily automated. These assays are commonly used to monitor therapeutic drug, measurement, and also illicit drugs. Testing programs for workplaces where load detection limits are not needed.